How to create a Google AdWords campaign in minutes. Creating a Google AdWords campaign can seem daunting, but you can set it up in just a few minutes. Today, let's walk through the essential steps to get your ad up and running quickly. First, log into your Google Ads account. If you don't have one, simply sign up at ads.google.com. Once you're in, click on the New Campaign button. You'll need to select your campaign goal. Options include sales, leads, website traffic, product and brand consideration, among others. Choose the one that best fits your business objectives. Next, select a campaign type. The most common is Search Network for ads appearing in Google search results, but you can also choose Display Network for visual banners on websites. Now, define your target audience. You can specify locations, languages, and demographics to ensure the right people see your ad. Set your budget and bidding strategy. Decide on a daily budget based on what you're comfortable spending, and choose if your focus is on clicks, impressions, or conversions. Next, it's time to create your ad groups. Think of these as categories under your main campaign, targeting different keywords. Now, brainstorm relevant keywords. Use Google's Keyword Planner to find terms people use when looking for services like yours. Compose your ad copy. Your headline should be eye-catching and relevant, while the description should concisely convey your message. Make sure to include a strong call to action. Finally, preview your campaign and ensure everything looks right. Once satisfied, click the Save and Continue button. And there you have it. You've just set up a Google AdWords campaign in minutes. Don't forget to monitor performance and tweak as necessary. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick marketing tips.